Sanam, this is Kazmin Mahadev Singh. Thank you very much for watching our videos and for your interest into our latest project for RYK. So yes, we're building a spiritual retreat and training center. But I have to tell you where it is. You've seen the videos, you've seen the Mother Nature, so now drum rolls for the location. So the location is by Asheville in North Carolina. An amazing place with mild weather, lots of Mother Nature, lots of wildlife, and the energy is just so amazing. You sit down, you close your eyes, and you go into meditation. It's so quiet, you can only hear the birds. Hear the birds? This is gonna be such a beautiful place, a magical place for one to come to heal, to disconnect from the matrix, so you're able to learn more, to experience more, for one to go inward for their spiritual growth, for enlightenment. I mentioned throughout the years, how would it be to have for us and for everybody to join us a spiritual center? Well, be careful what you wish for, because now we have it. Now we're building it, and now we want you to be part of it. So if you like what you heard, there's gonna be a link under this video. Click on the link, you're gonna get more details, and please connect with us. Let us know how you wanna be part of this. Maybe you wanna help building it, maybe you wanna collaborate somehow, maybe you wanna teach there, maybe you just wanna join for the retreats and spend some time with us over there. Whatever it is, the door is open for everybody. We're gonna build this together as a happy spiritual family. We'll see you all by Asheville at the RYK Spiritual Retreat and Training Center. Many blessings. Sanam.